Hello and welcome to Craft with Sarah. This video is a bit different to normal because I'm not sharing a craft project with you. Instead, it's something better. I've teamed up with the fabulous designbundles.net to give you a wonderful collection of layered SVG files 100% free. Design Bundles have chosen 20 of my layered cut files, which would usually be available for purchase in my shop, and put them together in a free limited time bundle, which can be downloaded from now until December 23rd. Keep watching to the end of the video to find out how to download them. But first, let's take a look at the designs. I hope you like these designs. I love the selection that Design Bundles have chosen. If you were to buy each design individually in my SVG shop, it would cost you $104. But here's your chance to get them for free. To download all 20 layered SVGs, visit craftwithsarah.com/DB. This will redirect you to the Design Bundles website where you can download them all for free. But remember, this bundle is only available until December 23rd. My favourite design that's included is this giant summer sign. It's an off-the-mat design, which means that the bottom parts are cut in sections and then glued together to make the completed design. Then all the flowers are stuck on top to make the finished sign. It comes blank for you to add your own message. As with all my layered SVGs, each design comes with an assembly guide to show you the order to stick the layers together in and whether to use foam squares or glue for each one. So, what are you waiting for? Head to craftwithsarah.com/DB and download all these designs today. I'll be back very soon with even more free SVGs, but in the meantime, happy crafting! Bye!